So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial, where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of could not create Apple ID on your iPhone. So there might be multiple issues that is causing that problem. So first of all, make sure to you are on a stable internet connection, and as well as give a restart to your iPhone. If it still not fixes, simply go to settings, and in the settings you simply need to go to general, and in the general you need to scroll down until you see this option of date and time. Simply go to date and time and make sure the time zone is selected to the time zone region of your country only, and as well as make sure that the time on your iPhone shows correctly. If it does not, turn the save set automatically option off and manually correct the date and time, and now again try to create a Apple account, and definitely that's gonna work for you. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.